what? Look at what's on TV. Look. Not again. Stupid horses and all. I think I couldn't stand it. Oh, look. Something really hilarious happened on TV. Ah! Moving TVs aren't usual, you know. Oh. What's that? A crayon, you know, stupid. For coloring. Do you want to color? Yeah. What do you want to make a color? I don't know, a leaf, if you have green. Oh. There's a leaf. Okay. Now watch the funny thing on TV. First I need to change the channel. Okay. Let's see, the 3 out of the 3 channels. Call it Poopy the Pooh instead. He's totally fat. Yeah. I'll change it to the news now if you like it. Okay, enjoy. This is Littlest Pet Shop News. Yeah, that is husband, by the way. By the way, we wanted to show you what a chunk. That is just so stupid. Now, I'll show you something on the channel. It's called Catty Fatty. Show her. Hello guys, I'm Catty Fatty. Even though you're a dog though. Yeah, it's really stupid. We're all dogs. How come you can't join us, Mouse? Because you're not a dog. Oh. Every new TV comes to life and I can be on TV. Yay! We're on Littlest Pet Shop News. And would you like some cake? Isn't it kind of stupid though? What if there's bugs in it? Oh my gosh. I can't explain it, but there's no bugs in that. Oh. They just rewinded it. Yeah, the boys. And birthday parties. I like birthday parties. What's this leaf? It needs a tree, maybe. Ow. There. A red tree. I like trees. I want tons of trees. Now eat the banana. Okay. Now would you like to fly away? How can dogs fly though? Think of it. Everything yellow are coins that are 100%. Like this. Kind of stupid though. You made sound effects too? Yeah, I did. Like the game. Think of it. Wait. There. That's how you think of it though. I want to draw a picture. What's it gonna be? Let me start. What's that a picture of? I don't know. Try to guess. I don't know. Try to guess. It's always the same thing. It's like the only things you like are trees and Mario. That's what I made a picture of. Ah! Ah! I know. all my pictures are terrible. But green, my favorite color is green. I love green. Go away, green. That's all on Littlest Pet Shop News. Just kidding.